Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Sir,
afternoon.
just would like to get your thoughts on Representative Marcoleta's statement that there is no such thing as the West Philippine Sea.
Okay. Okay, so he's expressing his opinion. When I see him, lulukuhin ko siya. He's a candidate, so he has to grab headlines, di ba? So tama yung ginawa na for a candidate. Ngayon, ever talking about him na. magaling talaga siya sa ganyan.
Sir, yung Chinese monster ship nasa West Philippine Sea for more than a month now, how are you going to respond to this? Will you change your approach? Kasi parang hindi naman umaalis doon sa area.
Well, we don't have the means na paalisin. Hindi naman, buti kung meron tayong aircraft carrier na may kasamang destroyer, frigate at saka submarine na papupuntahin natin doon para matulak silang palayo. Wala naman tayong ganun. Kung sa palakihan at paramihan lang ng barko, malayo tayo sa China. Pero ang policy naman natin is that we will just continue to defend our territorial, our sovereign territory and our territorial rights in the EEZ. Yun lang. Kahit ano pang ang iniisip na ano bang mission ng Coast Guard, ano bang mission ng Navy to protect the territorial integrity of the Philippines. So that's what they will do. They will continue to do that no matter what any other foreign power does. That is what we will do. When we detect the presence of a foreign vessel who is beginning to intrude or coming close already to our coastal waters, papupuntahan natin ang barko. And we will challenge them. And we will make sure that they know that this is what they are doing is illegal. Of course, they will counter saying that they're doing regular peacekeeping law enforcement patrols. But they will always find, they will always find the Philippine presence. No matter what they do, kahit na banggain na yung barko natin, kahit na mag-water cannon sila, mag-laser sila, kahit kung ano pang gawin na mag-block sila, laging nandyan ang Pilipinas. We will always be there protecting our territory. We will always be there making sure our fishermen are able to exercise their sovereign rights. Nandyan lagi. That's their mission. And if their presence helps to, kasi kung minsan napapaalis nga nila kahit yung malalaking barko, then better. Then then they will have achieved what they are supposed to do while they are patrolling our waters.
Sir, last na lang from me.
Sure.
Sir, last week you said na you had a deal with China. Nagbigay kayo ng kondisyon sa China na you will pull out the Typhoon missile if and when China will stop its aggression. Nag-respond na po ba ang China about it?
No.
Or?
No. I didn't expect them to either. Because, no, I didn't expect them to. And they haven't responded specifically. They've responded in general terms, saying that what they do is a lawful exercise in law enforcement and all that. But no, nothing specific on the missiles, nothing specific about the reduction of tension, the reduction of the aggressive moves, and nothing like that. Wala kaming napag-usapan na ganun.